ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 16, text number 23 and 24. Yadvambate bhuri bharavatara.
Advambate bhuri bharavatara.
Yadvambate bhuri bharavatara.
Yadvambate bhuri bharavatara.
Vatavatarasya harer dharitri.
Satavattarasya hare dharitri.
Vatavatarasya harer dharitri.
Satavattarasya hare dharitri.
Antarhitasya smrati vishashta.
Antarasya smarati virishta.
Antarhitasya smrati vishashta.
Antarhitasya smarati virishta.
Karmani nirvana vilambitani.
Karmani nirvana vilambatani.
Karmani nirvana vilambatani.
Karmani nirvana vilambatani.
Take 24 also. Idam mama chakshvatavadimulam.
Idam mama chakshvatavadimulam. Moolam.
Idam mama chakshvatavadimulam.
Idam mama chakshvatavadimulam.
Vasundare yena vikarshitasi.
Vasundare ena vikashitasi.
Vasundare yena vikarshitasi.
Vasundare ena vikashitasi.
Kalena vate balinam baliyasa.
Kalena vate balinam baliyasa.
Kalena vate balinam baliyasa.
Kalena vate balinam baliyasa.
Surarchitam kim hratam ambaso bhagam.
Surasitam kimvahitam bhambaso bhagam.
Surarchitam kim hratam ambaso bhagam.
Surasita kimvahitam bhambaso bhagam.
Word by word meaning of verse 23. Yadva,
Yadva,
that may be.
that may be.
Amba,
Amba,
O mother.
O mother.
Te,
Your
your. Bhuri,
Bhuri,
heavy.
heavy.
Bhara,
Hara,
load.
Lord.
Avatara,
Avatara,
decreasing the load.
decrease in the Lord.
Krita,
Krita,
alone, done.
done.
Avatarasya,
Avatarasya,
one who incarnated.
one who incarnated.
Harehe,
Harehe,
of Lord Shri Krishna.
of Lord Sri Krishna.
Dharitri,
Dharitri,
O earth.
O earth.
Antarhitasya,
Antaritasya,
of him who is now out of sight.
of him who is now out of sight.
Smrati,
Marati,
while thinking of.
while thinking of.
Vishashta,
Vishista,
all there were performed.
all that were performed.
Karmani,
Karmani,
activities.
activities.
Nirvana,
Nirvana,
salvation.
salvation.
Vilambitani,
Vilambatani,
that which entails.
that which entails.
24, word by word. Idam,
Idam,
this.
Mama,
Unto me.
unto me.
Achakshva,
Achakshva,
kindly inform.
kindly inform.
Tava,
Tava,
your.
your.
Adimulam,
Adimulam,
the root cause of your tribulations.
the root cause of your tribulation.
Vasundare,
Vasundare,
O reservoir of all riches.
O reservoir of all riches.
Yena,
Ena,
by which.
by which
Vikarshita asi,
Vikashita Asi,
reduced to much weakness.
reduced to much weakness.
Kalena,
Kalena,
by the influence of time.
by the influence of the time.
Va,
Va,
or.
or
Te,
te,
your.
your.
Balinam,
Balinam,
very powerful.
very powerful.
Baliyasa,
Baliyasa,
more powerful.
more powerful.
Sura Architam,
Sura Architam,
adored by the Devatas.
adored by the Devatas.
Him,
Him,
weather.
weather.
Kritam,
Nitam,
taken away.
taken away.
Amba,
Amba,
mother.
mother.
Saubhagam,
Sobhagam,
fortune.
fortune.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
O Mother Earth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, is not incarnated Himself as Lord Shri Krishna just to unload your heavy burden. All His activities here are transcendental and they cement the path of liberation. You are now bereft of His presence. You are probably now thinking of those activities and feeling sorry in their absence. Please repeat. O Mother Earth,
O Mother Earth,
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
Hari,
Hari,
incarnated Himself
incarnated Himself
as Lord Shri Krishna
as Lord Shri Krishna
just to unload your heavy burden.
just to unload your heavy burden.
All His activities
All His activities
here
here
are transcendental
are transcendental
and they cement
and then cement
the path of liberation.
the path of liberation.
You are now bereft of His presence.
You are now bereft of His presence.
You are probably now thinking of those activities
You are probably now thinking of those activities
and feeling sorry in their absence.
and feeling sorry in their absence.
Purport. The activities of the Lord include liberation, but they are more relishable than the pleasure derived from nirvana or liberation. According to Srila Jiva Goswami and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, the word used here is nirvana vilambitani, that which minimizes the value of liberation. To attain nirvana, liberation, one has to undergo a severe type of tapasya, austerity, but the Lord is so merciful that He incarnates to diminish the burden of the earth. Simply by remembering such activities, one can defy the pleasure derived from nirvana and reach the transcendental abode of the Lord to associate with Him, eternally engaged in His blissful, loving service. What's the next one? Mother, you are the reservoir of all riches. Please inform me of the root cause of your tribulations by which you have been reduced to such a weak state. I think that the powerful influence of time, which conquers the most powerful, might have forcibly taken away all your fortune, which are adored even by the Devatas. Purport. By the grace of the Lord, each and every planet is created fully equipped. So not only is this earth fully equipped with all the creatures for the maintenance of its inhabitants, but also when the Lord descends on the earth, the whole earth becomes so enriched with all kinds of opulences that even the denizens of heaven worship it with all affection. But by the will of the Lord, the whole earth can at once be changed. He can do and undo a thing by His sweet will. Therefore, no one should consider himself to be self-sufficient or independent of the Lord. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namah Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Namah Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yadavambate bhuri bharavatara, Krataavatarasya Hareradharitri, Antarahitasya Smarati Vishrashta, Karmani Nirvana Vilambitani. O Mother Earth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, incarnated himself as Lord Shri Krishna just to unload your heavy burden. All his activities here are transcendental and they cement the path of liberation. Now bereft of his presence, you are probably now thinking of those activities and feeling sorry in their absence. Idam mama chakshvatavadimulam vasundhare yena vikarshitasi kalena vate balinama baliyasya surachitam kim pratam amba saubhagam. Mother, you are the reservoir of all riches. Please inform me of the root cause of your tribulations by which you have been reduced to such a weak state. I think that the powerful influence of time, which conquers the most powerful, might have forcibly taken away all your fortune, which was adored even by the Devatas. So Dharma, Purusha, is concluding his questions. These are the last two questions he has for Mother Earth. We can see some very significant statements here, some qualities, some criteria, For example, here he is addressing Bhumi as Vasundhara. That's one name of Bhumi. Vasundhara. Vasundhara means reservoir of all riches. There are so many minerals, diamonds, and gold and precious stones and everything. Oil, food stuff, water, medicine, herbs. So many things the mother has. That's why she is called Vasundhara. But now, despite of that, she is not looking happy. And that's why saying that, oh Vasundhara, you are not looking, you are vikarshita asi. Vikarshita. Akarshita, vikarshita. Akarshita means look attractive. Vikarshita means you are not looking so attractive, you are looking so weak. Is it because of Kalena, time? Because we know that time is the biggest factor, one of the biggest factors. Krishna, one energy is time. And time we know that does destroy everything. Sometimes it is healing. We say that time will heal. Especially, we have a wound, or you get hurt by somebody, or you are having some confusion about somebody. Then they advise that you should let go, allow time to pass. And then they say time is the biggest healer. But then time is also the destroyer. You leave anything, or you make anything, it's not going to last forever. You may have something little old. You may say, oh, it is old, it is vintage, it is antique. But then, these days, there is a big business is restoring the antique. Recreating the antique or restoring the antique. There's so much so that people have made it as an industry. Somebody went to say antique shop. Of course, it was a fake antique shop. Like we have so many. And if you go to Delhi and you go to Chandni Chowk, and there's some market there, you'll get all the antiques there. They're all looking rusted, green things on the brass, and it looks like very, very old. So, but they are not real antiques. So some person went there and he saw something, and he had seen it earlier also. So he asked, sir, how much is this? And he says, it's 10,000 rupees. Oh, he says, last year I came, you offered me the same thing for 7,000 rupees. Now why it is 10,000? So this person says, sir, the labor cost has gone up. Antique is supposed to be, just left as it is, right? And if the labor cost has gone up, that means he's playing around. So same way, we are all playing around. We are all playing around with the Bhumi, with the Vasundhara. It's already so beautiful, but we want to manipulate. We want to cut the mountains and the trees and, go for the minerals, go for the granite, go for so many things, marble and different stones and different trees, then. So what happens? There is an imbalance. And that's why he's saying the you are this Mother Earth is so precious that even the Devatas are adoring. They also come here. Because of course one more reason is that this is the gateway to the spiritual world. If you want to go to Krishna Loka, the gate is on this planet. Scriptures say that it is on this planet. So lots of times these Devatas, they also come here to get out of this material cycle. Although there are so many different planets, but it is considered as one of the gateways. So you are so fortunate, but now you are not looking so fortunate. You are looking so dull and morose and there's no attraction. And why? Because of the previous. He says, Krishna who came, Lord Hari, Lord Vishnu comes as Krishna. We know that people get stuck at that, of course. So they don't want to accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But we know that Lord Vishnu is also his own expansion. And then he himself comes. He doesn't say in Bhagavad Gita that when Lord Vishnu wants me, then I come here. Oh, he doesn't say that, right? He says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Abhyudhana. I come at my own sweet will when I feel that there is a problem. So of course there is no difference at one platform. There is no difference between Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna, because the expansions are as powerful. Okay, but just for for devotee's sake, we have to clarify this, that we love Krishna more than anybody else because of his 64 qualities. The 4 qualities we do not have even in Lord Vishnu. And more importantly, we adore him, we love him, we worship him, we serve him because there is a relationship, there is an exchange. Lord Vishnu, you can ask for some boon and he can grant it or not grant it. But Krishna, you don't have to ask him. You can feed him, play with him, make him like today somebody says, oh, I'm treating Krishna like my son, and she's herself only college going, but she wants to have that relationship of Vatsalya. And because now we know that Krishna is not there, because we saw what happened to Arjuna, what happened to Yudhishthira. So now Parikshit Maharaj is there, but Krishna is not there. So he said he came to unload the burden. How many demons he killed? Every day. Every day there was a demon being killed. All those were not small demons. All these asuras, Dayana Asura and this Asura, that Asura. Asura means demon. They're all, somebody asked what happened to them. And many were killed during Mahabharata war. Before that, not during Mahabharata war, I'm sorry. During Krishna Leela, he almost finished most of the big demons at that time. So, Dharma is saying that It looks like that you are thinking about all those leelas, all those pastimes, and now you are getting disturbed. Yes. You are feeling sorry. So he says, Kritavatarasya, avatarasya. See, there are 2 times avatar has come, but there are different meanings. See, when it says Bharavatara, Bhara is heaviness, Avatara means to reduce, and Avatara also means to descend. In the same shloka, there are 2 different avatars. So sometimes we have to be careful, and that's why we need the guidance. We need the commentaries, purports of the acharyas. Srila Prabhupada has made it so simple for us, just simply follow, and we can be, we can be very safe. We don't draw some wrong conclusion. Okay. So I have to stop here. Thank you very much. Hopefully we will meet tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
Jai.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
श्यामा माधवी माता जी, पूजा माता जी, मनीषा माता जी, कन्या माता जी, सौम्या माता जी, so Mukta माता जी, so Mukta माता जी also. Good. So we meet tomorrow. I think Sanjay Prabhu was there, but I don't know. Maybe still there.